Slama Amukhon, or peace be with you. Shubuha Lamshiha Maran. All Nasrayas, or followers of the Nasraya Esau, who believe in the risen Esau Mashiach, must stand together on this fundamental truth. If we live according to and respect the diverse faith diversities of the early Shlihaic or apostolic Etha or church, we will be able to overcome by the power of the risen Esau Mashiach the visible and hidden traps of some, whether knowingly or unknowingly, set against our faith and us. For this, the first step is to understand, accept, and live according to the faith diversity of one's own Shlihaic or apostolic Etha or church, while also respecting the faith diversities of other Shlihaic or apostolic churches. Without Dera Yusa or monastic study and the revival of the early Shlihaic or apostolic Etha's spiritual practices, merely engaging in communal activism will be like a hollow, rootless tree. Welcome to be a direct or indirect member of Mars Liba Dera, which follows the lifestyle of the early Shlihaic or apostolic Etha or church. Mars Liba Dera Code 9. Shubuha Lamshiha Maran. Slama Amukhon.